If you're like a lot of small business owners in this economy, you're ready to grow, but you can't put any more money into the company because your credit cards are maxed out and you've probably used up all the equity in your house. I'm going to show you how Rystone Analytics can not only show you where to find the money you need, but how this information increases your odds of capturing that money with less effort and time than you might think. For example, this product distributor was looking for a loan and had been denied for credit by 3 separate lenders in the space of about 9 months. In each case, the bankers didn't explain why they denied the loan, which left the partners in the dark about how to correct the situation. Sound familiar? In the absence of that vital feedback, they did what comes naturally. They did the same thing again. You can imagine that after the 3rd time of being denied for a loan, they were feeling defeated and powerless. Then they used this information and got approved for the very next loan they applied for. Our program analyzes key data points that creditors, lenders, and investors look at. It lets you see for yourself if the odds are stacked in your favor or against it, and you don't waste valuable time and effort because the results are yours in 5 business days. Nowadays, it's all about the facts. The last few years have pretty much ended the days when a good word from your banker would get you a quick loan. Instead, it's evidence and history and facts. That's what builds credibility, or in this case, creditability. It's never been easier to speak the same language as your creditors, and you don't need a finance degree. They say cash is king, and when it comes to getting a loan or credit, that's still true. So we show you the state of your company's cash flow, the drivers, challenges, and strengths, plus how you compare to other companies in the same industry of the same size. The point is to build a case that you're knowledgeable and dependable. In other words, you want to be transparent or you'll quickly be considered a risk. Creditors hate surprises. And there's nothing more powerful than laying out the facts and telling your story with confidence to increase a lender's faith in your company's future. Knowing where you're going and how you're getting there helps you establish the reliability that's critical in this economy. So, where will your company be next year after you find the money? Why not find out what's possible?